Hello everybody, my name is Christoph Ritter. I am an air system engineer and I have worked about 24 years in the non-woven textile and hygienic production industry. I can say to deliver and troubleshoot any kind of air-related system, pneumatic transport, fans, filtration, recycling, trim pickup, fiber infeed, these kind of systems. And I've created kind of an airflow training, a theoretical course, and also a hands-on course to show people how this works. What's important? Yeah, what is important to know about fans, system, ductwork, how to measure the airflow, and all these things. And typically I am explaining that in a 1 or 2 day training course with a lot of theory behind it, but then there's also a practical aspect to it. And in order to explain a little bit the practical aspect, I have set up this little test stand here. This would be an airflow test stand, and on this it is very simple. It's just a simple setup, but we can explain most of the critical aspects of an air system on this test stand. So let us see how that works. What do we see? All what we see is here, it's a duct system and a fan. The fan, you cannot see it, it's behind the wall here. But what happens is, with the fan, I'm pulling air through that system, and then it goes to the fan, and it comes back to the, from the fan, and is pushed out. I think you can see these little arrows, that's the flow direction. It goes that way, all the way towards the fan, and then it's pushed out again. Then we have an electrical control panel, and we can adjust the speed of the fan. Yeah, we can turn the fan fast or slow. Then here we have installed a pitot tube. That is this kind of instrument to measure the airspeed. So when air is blowing here, it measures the speed of the air. And then I have also installed some gauges which are showing the vacuum level on this side here. This is under vacuum, and after the fan it's under overpressure, and I can measure these overpressure values. Further on, I have installed these instruments. This one is connected to the pitot tube. It shows the speed inside this ductwork, and that one is installed at the fan inlet and outlet. It will show the differential pressure across the fan. So far so good. And what else is here? There are some balancing slide gates where I can create some resistance in the duct system. Okay? Either on the pulling side or on the pushing side. So in a moment I will start this machine and I explain you 2, 3, 4 simple experiments which everybody can do in order to understand the relation between fan speed, the duct system, resistance. These are the main things I will demonstrate. Thank you.